the heart of the vast countryside, where the endless land meets the open sky, the epic journey begins.
Keep moving up.
Here, among the quiet, rolling fields, the magnificent Brahman bull roams freely.
Now, just a little further.
Its immense strength and its
fine.
natural beauty form the true foundation of something extraordinary.
Calm.
These creatures are not
Bring the
just
next one up.
cattle.
Nice and steady.
They are the living guardians of an ancient legacy. The farmer knows every single curve of every horn, every fine line of every hide. He knows which bulls hold the finest, undisputed quality. The horn is the bull's ultimate crown. Its thickness, its curvature, its dense structure. These are the precise qualities that determine its destiny. Only the finest are selected for the long journey ahead. The final selection has been made. One by one, the selected bulls step carefully into the truck. They leave behind the wide open fields and the warm, golden light of dawn. Ahead of them lies the industrial factory, a world of steam, heavy steel, and structural transformation. Each bull is inspected once more. A final health check, a final quality assessment. The standards set here are completely uncompromising.
Welcome to the Mega
The loading
Manufacturing
continues,
Complex.
slow,
Please proceed to
steady,
receiving dock
and
Gamma.
deliberate. There is no rush here.
Hold it right there.
The animals are treated with patience and deep respect, establishing the foundation of quality that will follow them everywhere. The heavy gate secures, and the truck pulls away. The fields grow small in the rearview mirror. Ahead lies the city, and the massive factory appears on the horizon. The truck enters the factory's busy receiving bay.
Good on this one, Doctor.
This is the very first point of contact between the raw, natural material and the complex industrial process. The gate opens, and the bulls are revealed. A thorough health inspection immediately follows. The veterinarian, trained in both medicine and fine craftsmanship, checks each bull with utmost care. Before any transformation can even begin, the raw material must be purified. High-pressure water jets blast away the dust and grime of the fields, revealing a pristine, clean surface. The pressure washing is followed by gentle hand cleaning, working the remaining dirt away without scratching the surface. Cleaned and sorted, the moment of extraction has finally arrived.
Team 1.
The horns, carefully selected and prepared, will now be separated. This is a moment of extreme precision and deep respect. The extraction is performed cleanly.
Almost done now.
Every movement is calculated. Every cut is completely deliberate. The horn leaves the bull in one solid piece, its natural structure unblemished and fully intact. The extracted horn is inspected immediately. Its exact length, its thickness,
Grade 1
and its
certification
unique grain
applied.
pattern are carefully recorded. The horns now move forward, one by
Confirmed.
one,
The spray
along a
nozzles are
smooth,
active.
stainless steel conveyor belt. They carry the promise of true transformation, waiting silently for the first touch of the craftsman's hand. This is the moment of stillness before the mechanical transformation begins. The horn is pure, untouched, and ready. Now, advanced technology will take over. The horns enter the digital realm. High-speed laser scanners trace the horn's natural surface, converting natural organic geometry into pure digital data.
Confirmed.
Every single contour, every natural curve is captured with microscopic precision. The digital model is refined and perfected by skilled technicians. Horn after horn enters the scanning zone, building a complete library of precision data. The digital twin of the horn is now complete, a perfect three-dimensional model that will guide every single physical cut to come. The digital blueprint now guides the physical blade. With surgical precision, the blade moves through the dense horn. Each cut is deliberate, revealing a new shape. The rough-cut horn is moved directly to the high-speed lathe. The cutting tools slice through the spinning horn with exquisite control, removing thin layers to expose the smooth, refined surface hidden deep beneath.
I'll send it to the next station.
Next comes the polishing zone. The high-speed buffing wheel makes contact with the horn's surface. The transformation is immediate. The surface turns smooth, reflective,
Ready for the first pass
and
on
brilliant.
station 3.
The worker inspects the polished piece under direct light, checking for any subtle imperfection. The natural grain of the horn is now fully visible in a mirror-like finish. While the horn reaches its artistic completion, its partner material arrives. Premium leather hides, selected specifically for their rich texture and grain, are brought to the cutting tab.
And there it is, perfectly smooth. A thing of beauty.
Make sure the compound is evenly spread.
Flawless. The polish is perfect, no imperfections detected. This one is ready for the assembly line.
Quality check passed on tray 7.
Noted. Moving to the next one.
All right, right there. Okay, lowering it now.
Check the alignment right here.
Looks good. Proceed with the press.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public information and computers concepts, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or use any other creator's content. This video is information only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.